You have an RV furnace and you turn it on and the blower runs for a little bit or something like that, and then it shuts off. It'll fault out and there'll be a code. I'll show you how to access that. So in this case, the furnace turned on, the blower was working, ran for like 30 seconds and then shut down. So what I did is I took the 4 screws off the outside here so I could access what's going on with this circuit board here. And there's an LED on here that we're going to look at, and it'll be flashing a code. Okay, there is just one single flash every 3 seconds. So there's a little chart on the motor here. You can get it to focus better. And it says 1 flash every 3 seconds is the airflow limit switch. And we'll take a look at this little sail switch here. And it looks like there's like a little bit of debris on there. We'll go ahead and take that out, clean that off, and that'll likely fix our issue. Okay, I cleaned the debris that was on that sail switch there. I'm going to go ahead and turn the thermostat off. Turn it back on again. That'll reset the circuit board there, and the furnace will likely be working. That was the issue that we had, was the sail switch was dirty, and we cleaned that out. It's working now. As you can see, there is no flashing of the LED light on the circuit board. You look down here, there are other fault codes, and here's the possibilities. If it is a 2 flashing every 3 seconds, it's a flame sensor fault. If it's 3 flashes every 3 seconds, it's an ignition lockout fault. And steady on, no flashing, is an internal control failure.